Hello, students, and welcome to Module 1 of Business Data Analytics. I am Professor Phillips, and I'm excited to guide you through our launch of this course. Now, this first module is going to be incredibly important because it builds the foundational bedrock for everything we'll do in this term. We're going to explore how modern organizations leverage data to make critical decisions, outmaneuver the competition, and sustain long-term growth. Now, to do that, we are diving straight into chapters 1 and 2 of our text. Well, we'll unpack the realities of the information age and a study of competitive strategy analysis. You'll learn how to distinguish between raw data, structured information, actionable business intelligence, and true organizational knowledge. We'll also tackle systems thinking, management information systems, and look at how strategy directly dictates the data a company decides to collect. Now, by the time you complete this module, you'll be able to apply core strategic tools like SWOT analysis to a real world business scenarios. But we aren't just looking at the mechanics of business. We're also looking at the responsibility that comes with it. A key learning outcome for this week is identifying the ethical risk inherent in data collection and analytics, particularly when it comes to social data mining. Now, to help you practice these concepts, you'll be diving into two practical milestones. Your first is a Power BI introductory project checkpoint and an ethical case study analysis. And there'll be more videos on how to do the case study in depth. Now, let's talk about strategy for your workflow for this week. To succeed, you need to complete your task in a very specific order. For your roadmap for Module 1, first watch the video lectures, about 90 minutes or so is all it's going to take you, and take thorough notes. Second, you're going to complete your textbook readings for chapters 1 and 2. These are not smart books, so they're not going to ask you anything. This is old school. I've given you a book. You take notes on things that you believe are important, which will take you about 2 hours. Now, third, you're going to dive into your case study on the ethics of data mining and social media. This is the heavy hitter. It's worth about 50 points, give or take. It's the most point value piece inside the module. Then you're going to complete your introductory Power BI project checkpoint, which is worth about 10 points. At the very end, you're going to wrap up with a module exam, which is worth about 25 points. So in total, you're looking at about an estimated 6.5 hours of dedicated focus time to earn about 117.5 points for the module. So plan your week or weeks accordingly. If you're in an 8-week course, this must be done in a single week. If you're in a 16-week course, you get 2 weeks for it. So do not try to cram this into a single evening. You won't be able to accomplish it, or at least you won't be accomplishing it in a way that earns you any kind of a good points. Now, a quick word on the grading expectations in this course. Grades are based strictly on completion and correctness, not just on effort alone. So an exceptional high-level application is required to earn an A. I want to see you push yourselves. So please note that there will be no curving, there's no bonus opportunity points provided at the end of the terms. So make every point count starting on your very first week. Now, the critical due dates in closing, pay very close attention to the calendar because your tracking depends on the format of your course. If you are in the 16-week version of the course, this module is due at the end of week 2. If you are an accelerated 8-week version, this module is due at the end of week 1. That is always Fridays at 5 p.m. So regardless of which track you are on, the hard deadline is always Friday at exactly 5 p.m. That's the second it becomes 5 p.m., not 5 p.m. and 59 seconds. The system will shut off and not allow you to submit at 5 p.m. on the dot. If you want to dive deeper into these topics, check out some of the supplemental resources I've posted below the videos inside the modules. Covering MIS and competitive advantage is really what those are going to be about. Then you can dive into the lecture, get started on your readings, and let's just set a high standard for the rest of the semester. So good luck, work hard, and I will see you guys in your work. Bye, guys.